Hello everyone, welcome to my session Azure OpenAI Demos. My name is Sabita Mittal. I'm Senior Cloud Solutions Architect at Microsoft USA. OpenAI is a cloud-based platform that offers advanced artificial intelligence capabilities to businesses and individuals. With Azure OpenAI, you can build intelligent applications, automate processes, and gain insight from unstructured data using natural language processing, computer vision, speech recognition, video indexing, and machine learning capabilities. I'm very excited to present this OpenAI demo. This is a very powerful app that includes a couple of demos and a welcome screen with bunch of links on it, an architecture diagram which I'm following, and the resources used and the references to get started with Azure OpenAI. Let's look at the architecture diagram. I am ingesting a various forms of data, basically unstructured data, like from a speech file, from a video file, from a PDF, from a text file, or like an email-enabled conversation text. I'm leveraging Power Apps as a front end to ingest these various formats. And again, the front end can be customized as per your business needs. Once Power App ingests some of these different files, Power Automate is triggered, and Power Automate is calling different HTTP endpoints based on the type of the file. So let's say if we are trying to ingest the data from a speech file and I want to extract the data from speech, then I'm leveraging speech to text basically to extract the plain text. uh, and then OpenAI is applying some predefined form prompts basically to extract the insights. Okay. And if somebody is ingesting the video file, then again, the Power Automate is getting triggered and video indexer is called to get the captions, to get the transcript out from the video file. And then OpenAI is applying insights based on the prompt. Similarly, the PDF, Azure Computer Vision API is called, the read API to extract the plain text from the PDF, and then OpenAI insights are getting applied based on the predefined format. And similarly, Outlook, we get an email. If you want to extract the body from the email and extract the plain text out of the email, then again, we can apply the OpenAI insight based on the business needs. Basically, we can predefine the formats and predefine the prompts, and we can save the predefined prompts in SharePoint list, or we can have a predefined prompts in any other storage media, basically, and we can apply the prompts. After that prompts are applied, insights data basically can be saved in the SharePoint as a list or in an Azure storage account or in a SQL or any other storage method you wish to choose. So that was the overall flow, how this demo is built. Let's deep dive into the demo. Let's look at the very first demo, OpenAI Studio, OpenAI Studio GPT-3 Playground. This function exactly like a OpenAI Studio out of the box. And I am trying to put together here an app here, basically where we have an OpenAI plain text, and we can generate some insight based on the some input text types. Let's try some summarized text. So this is some text, and I want to see how the summarization works. Press the button. And again, the Power Automate triggers, and it's taking this text as a phrase and applying the prompt summarize, and we are getting the summary out of this text. Let's try classify text. And again, I have a news article here, and I want to classify it in certain category like business, tech, politics. As I press this button, generate, it will call the Power Automate, and it will have the prompt, classify the text, and it will have the text, and the prompt will get applied, and the insights will be generated via OpenAI HTTP endpoint. And we got the result, tech. Let's try the translation. So again, translate the following to French and Spanish. Let's see how OpenAI apply this prompt on this text. As you can see, based on the type of question, basically we call it a prompt. Uh, my text type output is changing. Basically, this is a GPT-3 model, and my prompt is getting applied to a text, and we can do a lot. We can do translation, we can elaborate a text, we can summarize the text, we can classify the text. Lot of possibilities out there. Let's look at our second demo, generate customer conversation insight, which allows us to quickly put any customer conversation or feedback into the input box and generate insights from predefined prompts. Let's look at that. I will input some demo text. Okay. It is regarding some company which is looks like an insurance company and customer is filing a complaint. Let's try to generate some insights. Again, these are some predefined prompts: reason, summary, outcome, provide next steps to the customer. So imagine a scenario where agent is handling the customer feedback and customer conversation one by one, and they can make an informed decisions based on the some predefined prompts. And again, these prompts can be changed as per the business needs. Let's try to get some insights out of this customer conversation. Reason: Contoso denied my home insurance claim after a hailstorm damaged my residence. This is from a customer. What is the reason that customer is sending this message? What's the summary? What was the outcome? How agent handled this conversation? What is the sentiment of the customer? The sentiment of the customer towards Contoso is very overwhelming and negative. And what should be agent doing after this message basically, and what should be the next steps provided to the customer? And as you can see, it composed an email message as well. Again, we can tie this screen to a email step where it can pick up the text from this box and email can be sent out. Again, within Microsoft ecosystem, lots of possibilities, lots of integration possibilities, and we can build the automation process. Let's move on to the next demo. PDF extraction and summarization and insights. This demo is leveraging computer vision read API. User can upload a PDF file, any type of a PDF file from which user wanna see some insights basically. Let's look at the PDF first and upload a PDF. I will try Azure OHAU facts and information. So this is a PDF, and PDF cannot be parsed in a plain text by just simple any workflow. So for that, we are leveraging Azure Computer Vision Read API, and I will click the button Extract Text. Once I press this button again, the Power Automate will trigger, and Computer Vision Read API HTTP endpoint will read this PDF and extract the text. Taking a while. And we got all the plain text out of the PDF. Let's type our questions. Which one is the famous beach in Oahu? Okay, Waikiki Beach. Maybe summarize. Again, endless possibilities with the prompts. Okay. So basically, this one is leveraging computer vision API to get the text from a PDF. And OpenAI insights can be applied. Again, this can be also tied to a process for a document automation where we can extract the text from the document or documents and apply some insights and can build a process application and then can gain further insights in a Power BI or web application. Let's look at the audio file extraction. It will work exactly in the same way, the way we updated the PDF file and the plain text got extracted via computer vision API. Similarly, we'll upload a audio file and Azure speech to text HTTP endpoint will extract text from the audio file and then we can generate insight. Basically, we can type any prompt and get the output. Let's look at that. Okay, so I am uploading this WAV file. Let's see without deep diving into this, what is the summary? Again, this kind of a scenario can be used in a call center kind of a places where call center is dealing with customers, whether it's about a product or some shopping or any other scenario basically. So customer can call and there is an audio file basically, and then customer success unit at the company, they can leverage something like this to extract the text out of any audio file where customer is leaving the message or there is a direct conversation going on. They can save the text and can get further insights and can plug it into any automated application. Okay, so what is a summary? Generate insights. Okay, let's look at that. What's the issue? Okay, okay, right. Let's look at the video indexer.